Recently, while working on a project, I realized I needed a 3D heart shape, but I don't want to spend too much time modeling it. So, I used my most evil, secret 3D modeling weapon, Easy Toy 3D, a program that has not been updated since Windows XP era. I draw a heart-shaped line and start moving the points to make them match the shape of a cartoon heart. This is the only part where I spend any time on. Okay, a few more adjustments. A little more. Make this part a little sharper. Make this part a little straighter. Just a little bit more adjustments. Okay, I've officially spent way too much time shaping it. It's time to stop. This slider adjusts the thickness of the model when it inflates out. Click OK and that's it. Now I export it as an OBJ. Put it inside Blender, slap a quick subsurface scattering material on it, and I am done. And this is how you make a 3D model where you don't have or don't want to spend any time on it. This is Braceau Jack, and I will see you next week. Bye.